What we're seeing here at San Jacinto College, and I'm sure that we're not unique as far as community colleges or colleges and universities in this country, is many of our students come to us unprepared. And there's data to support this. The ACT, the American College Testing Service, they have actually done studies on this, and what they came up with was less than 50% of all of our students nationwide are not prepared for college-level math, and less than 1/3 are prepared for college-level science.
Basically, the way I started my STEM path was first in high school, which my high school didn't go so great. I was a freshman 3 times in a row before I dropped out. Once I dropped out, I started working heavy labor jobs, and after working heavy labor jobs for a while, I decided that wasn't for me.
A year ago, we had a student taking chemistry, a very, very good student. His father was an electrician, so he just thought he would be an electrician. Well, now he's going to be an electrical engineer, and he's won a national award from the American Chemical Society, a scholarship to go on and to become an electrical engineer. So it's carried on what his father's doing, but to a new level. So I think that's interesting, what we can get them interested in and see what's possible for those students.
I came to San Jacinto College really because I heard that they had real good remedial programs, that the teachers were real nice, like they actually cared about the students, and I knew I couldn't make it in a university at that point because I needed a lot of help. So I did my remedial classes. I did 2 remedial classes my first semester, and it went all right. I got 2 C's, but afterwards I seen a lot of things that I could have changed, and then I went ahead and I applied those changes. I studied more. I studied before finals, and then afterwards I've been getting A's and rarely a few B's, but mainly A's.
We're very involved in science service learning. Sometimes you hear this referred to as science outreach. It's kind of one and the same depending upon what audience. But we work a lot with pre-college age students, and that's our high school students in this area. And we also work with elementary school students and bring them in. And referring back to Bloom's taxonomy, when they come to visit us for half a day, we just had 140 4th graders come this last semester. That, to me, the most important thing is not that they learned the experiment or are even able to reproduce the experiment when they get home, just the attitude, and remember that feeling of wasn't that exciting to do something new or to take some everyday thing and do something a little different with it, whether it's Elmer's glue or whether it's a balloon and a skewer, whatever, and things they could do at home if they wanted to. But it's more important for them to catch the attitude that this is fun. Very often, I think our community colleges have an opportunity to take students that no one believed in before. That we have had so many students here that when I get to know them, and when you're with them 6 hours a week, and that 3-hour lab period where you're roaming around talking to them one-on-one, you get to know them. You know what sort of struggles that they've had. Some of it is just so heartbreaking to hear them say they'd never gotten an A in their entire life, or they'd never had a teacher encourage them at all. And our people are bright, that perhaps they haven't had a good education in the past for whatever reasons, family circumstances or family obligations, or maybe they had some indiscretions when they were younger. And if they will come, and come to class and attend class, that we have a great chance to work with them.